Hello, my name is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. I'm going to go ahead and read this real quick. In the evening and the morning were the fourth day. I want to talk about the transcribing of documents in the immigration world. Could be for any document related to immigration, whether it's a non-immigrant visa or your green card citizenship. The evidence documents that you sent in either online or through the post office need to have the languages, if there are foreign languages, which there generally is because we're dealing with foreign countries with their own languages. The items that are in the foreign language and non-English documents, items, need to be translated so that the government worker can understand it in English and be able to process the application. So there's two main ways to do this. So let's just say you have a Mexican passport that's in Mexican, or let's just make it a birth certificate. And so the USCIS, or whoever the organization is, generally it's a USCIS, they're going to want to see the original in the Spanish and then also translate it into English. And so the party, the beneficiary may have, or the sponsor, they can hire a professional to get a certified translation of the document that can be sent in, but that could be expensive. So oftentimes what happens is that the family member or friend, somebody that knows both languages, in our case it's Spanish, so they'd have to be fluent in both languages, English and Spanish, and they would of course do the translation, have a separate document that they transcribe, and then they would have to sign and file or send in along with the translated documents a attestation to attest that they do know both languages fluently and that what they have translated is accurate and truthful. And so also they would have to have this notarized, and then it can be sent in. Now, the actual beneficiary or the principal or the sponsor cannot do the transcription. It has to be a third party. And so anyways, that's it for today. We'll talk to you guys next time.